Okay, we're going to go to our Canva to start making our movie, and we're going to click video, and then for the sake of things, I'm just going to do the one that says landscape video 10 by 80. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is I might want to pick a picture, and I'm just going to do horse. So let's see, which horse do I want to use? I may want to use this one. And I'm going to pull him out to kind of fill the screen. And then I might want to make him a little bit transparent since it's the first one. So I'm going to kind of come in with just a little bit of transparency. All right. Then the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here. And I can actually, I need to use a video. So I'm going to use stock videos. If you have a video of your own, you can put it in your folder where you have your picture. So I might put horse. And let's see what video I don't want to use. I don't think too long. Now I need to use a video, so I'm going to use a stock video of horses. And I kind of like this one. And I'm going to pull it right here. Okay. Then the next one I'm going to use, now I'm going to go to my files and upload something. So let's say that I'm going over here to upload, and I'm going to go upload files, and I think I have one up here, pictures, movies. Let's see where it is. And I'm going to go to my desktop, and I found this one of the horse in the pasture. So I put it right here in my uploads, and then as soon as it's loaded, I can drag it over here. Okay, I did it twice. One selected. All right, then after that, I can stop. I'm just going to keep adding my photos, and remember your script is going to be under this. So I'm going to pause. Okay, you can upload more images right here, upload files, and then you can drag them and use them. But that's enough for that right now. The next thing I want to do is I want to talk a little bit about the audio. So we're going to go back over here, and right here where it says brand, I'm going to hit record yourself. Now, I'm going to make this come back here. And I'm going to start right here. I don't want a talking head. I just want to record myself. I'm going to click record. I'm going to say, this is a horse galloping through a pasture. And as we go into this next picture, there's a movie with a herd of horses trotting forward. And then they keep going on for a few seconds. Then I'm going to go to my next picture, which is a picture of my daughter talking to her horse at the fence. And that was one. All right, the next thing is I'm going to go up here and look at elements again. And I want to look down here at audio, and I want to come down here. I don't think I want to use some of these, but I may just use one of the little things of music. I would want something instrumental. I don't think I want, but you could pick one of these, and what you will do is you will drag them for your music. Let's see which other one I might have here. Search elements. I'm just going to calm. Oops. Okay, so I'll just hit calming music, and I may just take this one down here and pull it down here on the audio track here. And I can pull it back a little bit more so it goes right here, and it's good thing. So now when I play this all the way through, it's going to play the music in the background, and I'm going to play it right here. So here we go. This is a horse galloping through a pasture. And this music, and I can actually make it fade down or adjust it. So let's say I'm going to adjust it, and I'm going to bring the music down even a little bit more. So right here. I'm having fade, the volume, that's what I'm looking for, excuse me. I hit the wrong one. Then you can pull it down, and then when I play it, go back and start it, it's not going to be as loud. Now I might want to add some text right down here, and I might want to put the text right here on the picture, and I can add a text box right here that just says the end. I can put and I can take that. I'm going to pull this back a little bit more, and I may not want that to go that far, so I want to clip that back. And I can have a title on that, but you see how to go to text to put it over the different things. Now I'm going to save my video, so I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to click share, and I want to download it, and I'm downloading as an MP4, so I want to download the MP4. Now it's downloading my MP4, downloading right now. Now when I finish downloading the MP4 video, I next want to upload it to YouTube so that I can put it in my site. So I'm going to pause this here. Okay, so after I've done all that, I need to share it, and I'm going to download it as an MP4, which I've already done MP4, and then once it's downloaded, it will be downloaded as the MP4 in my downloads. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and I usually go to manage videos, and I've already uploaded it, so I'm just going to show you. So what I would do is I go up here to create and upload the MP4 from downloads. So that's where it is right now. So now to put my YouTube Canva video on my website is I'm just going to get the shareable link, and I'm going to go to my website, and I'm going to let's see, which one do I want? Let's see. I think I'm just going to use this one. This was belonged to someone else. Where's mine? Now I'm going to go over here under digital storytelling, and I'm going to go to embed, and I don't need the embed code because it's a YouTube, and I'm going to paste that URL and insert, and there's my Canva movie right there. Now make sure that you go through what you need to have in the movie. You're going to need the music, the narration, the pictures. You'll need to put text on the beginning and the end, and you know, you can look at some of the old ones, and this one was just kind of a quick fly by seat of my pants this afternoon while I was trying to make this for y'all. But I think I've taken you through all the steps, and if you have any questions, you certainly can